because he's got both his hands up.
Again, he will go walking. Ang sabi nga naman ano dito,
Oh yes, step down Fasang in this round.
Eto na
Ito na naman.
Goodbye.
And that's it.
Dito.
It's over. Have an advantage of being a southpaw sa laban na to.
Pareho sila, yes. Pareho silang fighting out of the yung southpaw stance. Ito mga si Manny Pacquiao. Pati depensa ni Manny Pacquiao, nakikita natin Kinito dito. Nakatago, no? Hindi niya alam kung ano itong opponent niya na ito. Again, trying to connect and trying to measure itong si Pasong Pirang. Manny Pacquiao quickly connecting.
Mukhang all business si Manny dito, ha?
He has
Shooting
always
off his
been,
right jab. At may binanggit sa atin si Manny Pacquiao. Just
And
before this fight, sabi niya, hintayin nyo yung aking
yung
kanan.
That's something that they're trying to develop together with Coach Freddy. Coach, Manny Pacquiao gets nailed with the right. Itong si Pasong Pirang, meron parang isinusuntok na pabigla, ano? But Manny, nainis yata sa suntok na ibinigay sa kanya.
Mukha yata nagalit si Manny. Eto na.
And Pasong
Manny
Pirang
Pacquiao
gets
on the attack.
tagged by that right, Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya alam kung ano sinusuntok niya.
Well, parang groggy na ito si Fasang, no? Very, very early in this fight. Manny Pacquiao has unloaded some of his palms. Pero si Fasang kanina, nakatama din ng isang matinding suntok. Hindi nakakasigurado dito si Manny Pacquiao.
Tabi yung left na yung kanyang kanan na pinanjab niya, no? Basic na basic yan, sumasabay doon sa kanyang pag-step. And Manny Pacquiao now getting a measure of Pasong Pirang now trying to go to his midsection itong si Pasong Pirang.
Well, kita-kita natin dito, no? Manny's all business at saka ang atake niya. Very, very concentrated. Hindi siya masyadong gumagalaw in terms of his footwork. Wala siya masyadong footwork dito. He's letting his fists do the talking sa laban na ito with 125 to go. Ito, that's a slip. That's a slip.
And Freddy Estrella calls it wisely, it's a slip. Ito pong si Pasong Pirang lost his footing. Pag-atake nito si Manny Pacquiao. Manny now, again, trying to bounce, trying to use that right, trying to set up ito si Pasong Pirang, but Pirang counters with the left right.
Mabigat yung kanan na jab ni Manny Pacquiao. No? That's a setup jab for his left hand.
Parang hindi makuha ni Manny pa yung distansya ng kanyang suntok dahil ito si Pasong Pirang pumapasok din eh.
Well, matibay din ito si Fasang, no? And he knows how to bob and weave. So far, it's been a defensive fight for Fasang because Manny Pacquiao has been all over him. It's a swarming attack. Ito, again, a takedown. That's a slip.
Dapat siguro, yes, baka kung sa iba yun, mawawarning nga si Manny dahil
Oo.
tinulak niya
Dalawang
pababa.
beses na yun. Okay, here we go once more.
Itong si Pasong Pirang, lucky to survive if he survives round
Well,
number
Gino,
1.
ang importante dito, hindi ma-frustrate si Manny, no? Even kung hindi niya mapatumba si Fasang here in this first round, he's gotta keep his wits together.
Ito, maaga-
Tinutugbog niya. Si
30-second warning mga kaibigan sa first round natin. And Pasang, hindi niya alam kung saan siya, malimit sumusuntok siya. Wala na si Manny doon sa pinagsusuntokan niya.
A nice right hand. Sneaked in that time. And what a round. For 41 years
Round
as a
number
fighter and as a trainer. Okay, ito na. Maganda rin ang depensa ni Fasang, ha? A lot of those punches of Manny Pacquiao, especially yung right jab, landing on the gloves of Fasang. Ito si Fasang now also showing a jab.
Tandaan niyo, sinabi ni nitong si Pasang, si 3K Battery na meron siyang nakitang weakness ni Manny Pacquiao na isisikreto niya. Whatever that is, yan po ang iniintay natin. And Manny Pacquiao, again, trying to connect pero hindi pa natin nakikita yung landing ng solid punch from Manny Pacquiao dito po sa ating first and second round.
Well, Chino, that's because maganda ang depensa ni Fasang. Although tinatamaan siya rito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali, that's a knockdown.
This is the
Second round
knockout
highlights.
scored. Tama yung kanan, tumama.
Right hand, yes. That was the right hand.
Again, the right to
And
the forehead
oo.
dito. And that staggered and sent ito pong si Pasong Pirang. Pero combination niya, makikita niyo ulit, yung jab, which looks like more of a straight. And then, ayun.
Tumama yung left. Yeah. That is a knockdown. Definitely knockdown yun. Tinamaan si Fasang.
Sa noong tinamaan, Kinito.
Alam mo, sa volume of punches, it's a barrage. Barrage.
At nayanig po dito sa tagig. Ito po si Pasong 3K Battery. The first knockdown scored by Manny Pacquiao. Another knockdown might
Sino?
be coming soon.
Parang basuka ito si Manny Pacquiao, no? Both fists churning, all guns blazing para kay Manny Pacquiao.
Yan po kanan na yan, inihahanda pa rin niya para kay Marquez. And now, he's trying to test drive that right hand which has connected again. And ito si Pasong Pirang, hindi na malaman kung saan pupunta.
No answer. Fasang has no answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Saka hindi makagalaw, oh.
Oo.
Nahihilo siya, hindi niya malaman.
Sa dami ng suntok. Sa dami ng suntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
Maganda sa rin depensa niya, but he just is not able to to fend off all those punches coming from Pacquiao.
Grabing ginagawa ni Manny. Talagang tinatrabaho niya yung kanan niya. Kinito, look at that. Straight upper. Now trying to jab with that right. Leading with that right. And nailing him with that left. Yan po si Pasong Pirang. Already a knockdown has been scored in the second round.
Parang hinahanap dito ni Manny is a one-punch knockout. And so far, hindi pa siya makapag-landing ng isang matinding suntok to put him down for good. Now, isang beses na bumagsak si Fasan, but Fasan is still standing. He's still fighting back.
Leading with the right.
Yan yung artillery ni Manny Pacquiao.
And
The
Pasong
arsenal.
Pirang is in trouble. Kinito, this guy is in trouble. He's trying to back off.
Paiwas-iwas na lang ito si Fasan. Manny Pacquiao is mauling Fasan 3K battery.
Short of toying around with this guy. Going to the midsection. And going upstairs again. Si Manny Pacquiao mixing it up. He nails him with that right of his.
Alam mo,
He goes to the body. Grabe ang variety, Kinito.
You have to give it to Fasan, ha? He's very courageous. Ito, lumalaban pa, no? Sa dami ng mga suntok na tinanggap niya from Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao again working out that right of his. Trying with that right looping shot. They're trying to master yung right cross, Kinito. This is round number 2.
Now, nakita din natin yung mga suntok ni Manny. Hindi lang sa mukha, kundi sa tagiliran din, no? The side of the body.
Then second warning.
Fasang looks like he's going to survive this second round assault. Bumagsak siya in this round.
And end of the second round.
That is what he's been working at. Yung kanyang kanan. He wants to be a two-fisted fighter in preparation for Marquez, Morales, and Barrera. But first,
It was hurdle.
he's got to be able to take care of Fasang
Pasong
3K battery.
Ito back dito sa ating bout. Round number 3. Manny Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito si Pasong Pirang with his right lead. Going up and down. Manny Pacquiao nails him with the left. Ito si Pasong Pirang. Did Kinito.
Well, he got rocked that time.
Pero matibay Kinito. Nakikita ko. Nasasalo niya yung mga suntok. Now whether he's able to withstand the punishment.
Oo, Chino, para pinasusuntok
Ayun na
niya
naman.
lang si Manny. But here is Fasang absorbing a lot of punishment.
And Manny Pacquiao getting a good workout dito sa first 2 rounds.
Oh, talaga. At sabi ni Manny, alika, suntukin mo ako. Para makatikim din ako, sabi niya.
Saka kanina kagulat-gulat, Kinito, nakita ko si Manny na doon sa pre-fight tradition, yung tradition ng pre-fight, no? Nakangiti. Nakatawa si Manny Pacquiao.
Very
May
loose siya.
ngiti
He was very loose before this fight. Very, very confident. At ito, tinatamaan na naman ng kanan ni Manny Pacquiao. Very slippery din ito si Fasang. Magalaw.
Yung pinapractice niya, no? Right straight, tingnan mo. Titignan natin maigi, no? Yung left, or rather that right hand that they're trying to work at. Ito pong corner ni Manny Pacquiao, led by, of course, Coach Freddie Rhodes.
Pasundot-sundot lang
Pero
si
parang
Fasang.
straight na siya, no? Kasi gusto nila, maturuan ito si Manny Pacquiao ng parang style ni Larry Holmes na yung kanan na jab, parang straight na halos.
Exactly. Yan parang nakikita natin, no? Yung jab ni Manny Pacquiao na kanan, parang pa-knockout na din yun eh. It has a lot of power. Hindi lang pag-setup, no? Although it could also be a setup for his left hand or yung combination right, left, right. Eto, bumabalik si Fasang. Again, yung sinabi ko kanina, no? Manny should not be frustrated na hindi pa niya napapatulog itong kalaban niya, no?
Grabe.
Malayo pa to. It's a 12-rounder. Pero matibay itong Fasan. He has been able to take a lot of those punches. He went down once in round number 2.
Trying that right upper ngayon. But Manny gets tagged with that left by Pasong Pirang. Both fighters again fighting out of the southpaw stance. No, ayun, tumama. Si Manny Pacquiao with that left lead.
Overhead left. Well, one thing we have to also watch is baka naman masunog ito si Manny, no? Sa dami ng mga suntok na binibitawan niya sa laban na ito. He's got to pace himself. Scheduled for 12 ito. Matibay ang kanyang kalaban.
Pero sinabi kanina, Kinito, narinig natin, sabi ni Coach Freddie Rhodes, if we have to go 12, then so be it. Ano?
Oo.
Yan ang sinasabi nila sa kondisyon ni si Manny dahil maraming nagdududa sa kondisyon itong si Manny Pacquiao. But Coach Freddie Rhodes said, I guarantee you, if we have to go 12, we will go 12. Pero lang kung konting, nako, ito na, under 5 seconds, at hilong-hilo si Pasong Pirang.
Yes, he's groggy. He got staggered.
Again, he will be lucky.
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung sustained attack ni Manny Pacquiao sa katawan. It's been all head so far. At wala pa tayong nakikitang assault by Manny Pacquiao sa katawan ni Fasan 3K battery.
Saka pansin mo yung kaliwa niya, bihira niyang binibitawan. Pag napadikit lang siya, but it's all been the right doing the work. Sabi kasi ni Manny Pacquiao. Pero
He went down. Yes, tama yun.
Walang fighter to be saved after the bell and another knockout.
Nakita natin yung Chino, no? Yung right hand ni Manny turned the legs ni Fasano, a robbery towards the end of that round. Bumagsak siya. And I thought that was a legitimate knockdown.
It was. Kaya nga magaling ang basa ni Freddy Estrella na ito ay isang knockdown at the end of the round at the bell ito. Again, no fighter can be seen after the bell. And Pirang, ito na, alam na ni Manny kung anong gusto niya. Manny has got in his legs but he gets nailed with the left. Manny comes back with that looping right.
Alam mo, very loose na din ang defense ni Manny at this point, ha? Kung meron pang ibubuga ito si Fasan, dapat ipakita niya ngayon because here's an opportunity for him. Manny's fighting very loose, very confident. Napabagsak na niya na 2 beses ang kanyang kalaban.
Meron nagsasabi, baka naman si Manny kargahin itong si Pasong Pirang. Again, hindi
I don't think so.
uso yan, ano? Ayaw natin i-risk yan. And Manny Pacquiao now, ang sabi nga ng mga kano dito,
Oh yes! One punch! Pacquiao is the second of 4 children. Ito, panuorin natin.
Ang ito nung
Kaliwa.
tinago niya ng kanan and then the upper of that left that sent itong Pasong Pirang kissing the canvas.
At ito na naman.
Ito na naman, grabe, ang ganda kinito. Nakatago
Parang
sa kanan.
uppercut na cross na hindi mo maintindihan but it was a left hand that brought Fasan down. 2 beses siyang bumalik.
The left hand.
Left hand.
That left upper kinito.
Parang upper yun.
It's an upper left
Woo!
hand. That nail. This is the 3rd knockdown scored in this bout by Manny Pacquiao against Pasong Pirang.
At sabi ni Fasan, okay, lalaban pa ako. One punch brought down Fasan in this round.
Eto na
Ito na naman.
Goodbye.
And that's it.
Ito.
Panuorin ulit natin. One of the knockdowns scored here by Manny Pacquiao.
Tingnan mo, pepikein niya ng kanan.
Ito yung kanan.
Tapos ito na, pag nakita niya magtatago sa kanan, uli, ayan, napipike ng kanan. And look at that left. Ang ganda ng timing dito.
At nakita mo, no? Yung 2 paa, umangat. Umangat yung 2 paa from the canvas. Bihira natin nakikita yan.
Mamaya babalikan natin yung angle just to show
Grabe
you
yun.
how excellent that form of Manny Pacquiao was when he delivered that. Ang ganda
At saka
no?
yung power. Yung power. Umangat yung 2 paa from the canvas. And you rarely see that in a boxing fight. Not unless you see a Mike Tyson inside the ring.
Mamaya ho.
Over. Manny Pacquiao, sensational knockout.
Win-workout lang yung kanan.
Grabe.
Yung kaliwa. Pumunta pa rin siya sa kaliwa niya. Anong
At
kailangan
hindi
niya?
malaman ni Fasan kung nasaan siya. Hindi niya malaman. At hindi niya nakita kung saan ang galing yung suntok ni Manny Pacquiao. What a sensational knockout victory.
And listen to that crowd kinito.
Manny Pacquiao, 4 rounds. Knockout victory. At ito na, ang statement ni Manny Pacquiao. Juan Manuel Marquez, maghanda ka na.
Ayan ang mami ni Manny
Yes.
kinito.
Ang mami niya si
Si
Jonicia.
Aling Junisa, we rarely see her.
Nandirito.
Ito ang rare appearance ni
Yes.
ang yanig sa tagig, naging banig sa tagig.